YouTubers and Growmies and Soil Sisters, welcome back to the channel. You're tapped into There She Grows 420, giving a quick update of what's happening on the deck container VeggieTales garden. And as you can see, our indeterminate tomatoes have really bloomed and blossomed quite a bit. I have gone ahead earlier today and pulled the ripe tomatoes, but if I zoom in closer, you can see that she is fruiting abundantly, and I can't even tell you the variety of these tomatoes because they have all now cross-pollinated, and I'm getting some of everything on one bush. And if you can see, my cucumber plant has helped itself to crawl across the garden, and while she hasn't provided any fruit yet, she is making herself well known here in the garden. Definitely, there are flowers that are waiting to be pollinated. With the eggplant, I did go ahead and harvest a couple of the eggplant that were on the vine. I wasn't sure if they were ripe or ready or not yet, but my research yielded that it's better to take them early than too late. I did try to saute some and try them because I am a zucchini and squash lover, but I did not find the eggplant to be great. I may have to try some new recipes and give the taste buds an additional try. The collards have blossomed as well and are doing quite good here in the garden. I have gone ahead and made sure that they are well watered, and I am using the Garden Tone vegetable fertilizer on the plants, and I think that that would be the reason that they have actually blown up. The celery itself might not be taken too good to the hot days. I have another plant going there, but I found that the leaves are just as flavorful as the stalks, and I have applied them to soups and stews and things of that nature. Coming along right here, I believe is a honeydew, but I'm not sure. I lost the tag. We'll see how it goes. No flowers as of yet. I have some kale here in between the tomatoes, along with our spicy tomato. Doesn't appear to be flowering as of yet, although she is showing sex, and it is indeed female. And I went ahead and treated it with some Garden Tone Citron to give it some flavors and to see how it reacts to it. You can see the soil there. If you guys have ideas for what I can do to recharge there, let me know. Chives again growing in the back. And I believe that this is a different kind of a collard or kale that is growing. More indeterminate tomatoes here, alongside some peas, which I'm trying to train to the trellis, but she does appear to be doing her own thing. I have some yellow onions that are coming up there in the back. I may have to move things around so that they're able to get additional sun. I believe this is an okra plant that is coming. Watermelon down here. No flowers as of yet that I've been able to see. Maybe some are coming, but she is vining, hoping that it's not too late in the season. More collards. This is a key lime from seed that I overwintered, waiting to see if she just grows. I will more than likely take her inside again. Some marigolds, hoping to keep away certain insects. I believe that that is a cherry tomato plant, possibly another watermelon. White potatoes that are probably ready for harvest. I'm just taking my time. Did start the yam from the slip there. It is leafing up, and I'll be able to pot that into a 20-gallon pot, as is the white potato, and hopefully be able to harvest some prior to the winter coming in. And this is the pepper plant that I overwintered, that she is flowering, and she surprised me because there is a rather nice sized pepper coming along, but I'm going to see how big she gets, and then we'll flip around here. I believe that these are some Brussels sprouts that I planted late. These are also various things that are slow to germinate. And if we spin around here, my ground strawberries finally coming in. I'm afraid to taste. And we'll take a look here at my lemon tree from seed to try to give you guys an idea of how tall she's become. Hoping that I will be able to get her back inside for the winter months, and also praying that she may finally decide to give some fruit after about 14, 15 years. So if anyone has any ideas for that, please do share. Don't be shy. T from There She Grows 420 is always open to any constructive criticism. Again, on this channel, we learn a little bit and we teach a little bit, and all input is welcome. Shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining the channel. We are on the road to 500. And again, I just want to thank you all for your show of support and keeping up with me as I try to keep up with you. You guys can see that there's some smaller variety of tomatoes that are ripening up, but not quite ready to pick yet. We'll give those a couple more days. So again, just a quick view again of the entire structure. I did actually fill up my 2 tiers this year, and I'm happy for that and glad that she is now becoming abundant and giving harvest. Alright guys, that would be it for this week's vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend. Your girl There She Grows 420. Until the next one, out.